All right, good ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. Okay, I'm just here to give you some tips about forex trading. So, how to become a profitable trader and stop hitting stop loss, stop blowing accounts. Okay, stop blowing up your account. So, here are some tips that you need to know. I'm using phone to make this video. Basically, I don't have laptop. I use phones to do my analysis. Okay, I don't have laptop for now. So um number one thing you need to understand is that you don't have to combine many pairs to be trading. So you don't have to be trading many pairs. So if it is me, I'm trading only two, sometimes one. The second one is just for addition in case I see a good setup on that one. I will just pick it. I'm just using it as a third party. Okay, so now I'm trading good, sometimes BTC. Okay, so but what you need to know is that as a trader, you should understand what forex is all about and understand what the pair that you are trading is doing. Like, you should understand how it plays out all the time, because all these things is like history. History tends to repeat itself. So this is how forex is. Structure repeats itself every time. Okay, so I'm not here to take much time on this video, basically because I'm using phone. I'm not seeing everything here, but um this thing is mostly for advanced trader. But if you are still learned and you are still a newbie, you just came into forex trading, you can still follow up. Okay, but if you're an advanced trader, you will understand what I'm saying, and when you try this, you will thank me later. Okay, most of the forex traders will not tell you this. They will still be making more videos for you, but I'm not here to create much videos, but I will just tell you what you need to do and become a profitable trader. Okay, firstly, I analyze from a higher time frame, which is weekly, daily, and I go to 4 hours time frame, confirm some structures, come down to 1 hour time frame, confirm, still doing the confirmation of the structure which I analyzed on the higher time frame, and I went down to 30 minutes time frame or 15, possible 5 minutes itself, to execute my trades. Okay, so I will go to a weekly time frame to show you what happened on gold and why you should keep buying and don't sell. Okay, so now what did he say? We see that gold is on a bullish trend. As you can see, gold is on a bullish trend. But what happened here? We had this drop. I dropped this down. What did you see here? It is order block, an order block here. This, and it's on a demand zone. So now, after this order block has been mitigated, the trade keep moving up. When you look at this candle that it ring start here, you will see that firstly you see a red candle. This is a bearish candle, followed by a hammer green candle, a hammer bullish candle, and what? And a bullish candle again, which signify morning stars. You get it now? So it tells you that this trend is about going up again. Possibly this gold will hit 6,000 in a few months time. Okay, so what you need to do now is, after identifying this order block and it's a demand zone has been mitigated on a weekly time frame, and you see this type of candlesticks here, morning star, what you need to do is to go down to lower time frame to follow what the market is printing for you, which is what? higher high and higher low. That is a market structure, basically price action. Okay, so maybe go down to daily time frame. You see the market is printing what, higher high and higher low, but you can understand it much better when you go down to 4 hours time frame. Mostly people will just analyze market, I don't know, they will tell you that the market has swept this low here, that they are going to be looking for a sell. Don't follow those type of traders, they are confusing you. When you find that this market has mitigated this weekly order block and it's a demand zone, that is one thing you should understand. We should be looking for more buys than sell. Okay, and I don't mean that you should not sell, but you should have the knowledge that the market is likely to buy more than they sell. Okay, so on daily time frame, you find that the market is what, is printing a higher high and a higher low. So you go down to 4 hours time frame to identify the structure. Use 4 hour time frame to mark your structures on good. I know what I'm saying. If this has been working for me, okay, so you can find out this is a higher, is making a series of higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so let's focus on the main structure now. What the markets on the on let's just focus on the current, the recent trades of the market now. So now what happened here? We saw this break of structure to the upside. Let me mark it out. This is the break of structure here. Okay, this is the break of structure. So what causes break of structure? This is the origin that causes break of structure. Okay, so don't go and look at this place, that this is the lower low, then you must be making a mistake. This is the lower low that break this structure. On a 15 minutes time frame, you can see many structures there, but don't follow it. This is the origin that caused this movement. Okay, this is the origin that caused this movement. So here remains the lower low of the market. So even if this market come down to this point, you should understand that this is the lower low, that you can easily look for a buy here to the upside, and it will give you a very good setup. You risk more and you get big, to give you a good risk to reward ratio. So now um I'm looking at this zone here to continue buying. Okay, I'm hoping that this market will just, I'm not hoping, I'm predicting that this market will just come down to this point and start going up. But if this zone didn't hold it, if we didn't hold on this zone, then this is the next zone that which I am anticipating that we should buy from. Okay, so you should understand this. When you understand the structure of the market, you will not find it difficult to trade. Even you have more things to do and still trade perfectly. Okay, I'm not saying that the analysis is 100% sure, but this is what can be working for you. It can work for you. Out of maybe you find 10 setups, you will take 7 will win and 3 will lose. So I'm not saying that this thing can make you have patience for the whole week, and you can only find only 2 setups or 3 setups in a week. This is what, it's not scalping, it's a day trader strategy. And not only a day trader strategy, is market structure, what the market is giving you. Okay, so I told you guys that I'm using phone for this analysis, I'm using phone for this video. I don't have laptop, so understand that. If I have system like computer, at least I will make a better video. Okay, so now on a 4 hours time frame, identify these zones here, identify these zones. So I'm hoping you can see how I marked it out. If the first zone here did not hold, okay, um okay, if this first zone here, excuse me, If this first zone here did not hold, I don't know what's happening. Okay, so if this first zone here did not hold, the next zone I'm looking is this one. It doesn't mean you should not sell. You can sell from this place down to this place. Like I already had a sell order here. I did not place the order, but I am already anticipating that I'm going to be selling from this place down to the, even possibly if it keep coming down to this place, I will hold it. But if it reaches here and they start giving me some similar stuff, I can just close it up and look for a buy to the upside. But I'm just giving you what should I call it? An information, just passing out an information that if this zone didn't hold, then you should look for a sell down to this place and buy from this place to the upside. Do you understand? So if you want to understand how I get all this analysis, it's not that difficult, self. I won't keep this video for long. So just text me on my Telegram channel. I will put the link on the description of this video. Okay, so text me on my Telegram channel. You can still join my group channel, okay, for trading signals. I don't collect money from those. I don't take any fees. It's for free. Okay, so now I think I will end this video here. Okay, sorry, let me break it down a little bit so you get to understand, because most of you don't know how to trade this thing on a lower time frame. So this is a 4 hours time frame, then you have to go down to 1 hour time frame. Come down to 1 hour time frame. On a 1 hour time frame, you will see that we have this zone here. Okay, I'm still going to show you another thing. Okay, I'm still going to show you another thing. That is a trend line breakout. Okay, and how you can trade it. Not everybody that know this. So now you can see that I already had a setup here. I'm anticipating this market will just open, went back to retest this zone. This this is a triangle pattern. You can see it's a triangle pattern. When you go down to 15 minutes time frame, you can understand it better. It's a triangle pattern and already breaking out. I didn't notice on time. I could have just entered from this place. Could have just entered here that I set my limit order, but I did not notice on time. So if possible that the market to retest this neckline here, I will just enter for a sell down to this place. Then when the market reaches here, we'll look for a buying opportunity at this place. Okay, but if the zone did not hold, then know what I told you, that possibly we are coming down to this place. Okay, so now on a lower time frame, you can see how the market is looking like. When you go to 15 minutes time frame, it's not that difficult. Okay, it's not that difficult. So know what you are doing. Follow the trend. The trend is your friend. Don't go against the trend. Follow the market structure. All these people will give you many strategies, but to be honest with you, they don't work 100%. No strategy works 100%, but I'm telling you that the strategy that has been existing and is still working now is market structure. Price action, just when you learn price action, you will know that price action is sweet and very simple to understand. Okay, so I think I will end this video here. Well, before I end it, let me show you what I said I will tell you on based on trend line trading. Sometimes when you did not catch a setup from the beginning of the movement and you don't know how to enter, look at it here. Now maybe you did not catch any entry from this place, then you didn't still catch entry from this place, this movement that starts moving here. The next thing you can do, you should wait for a retracement down to this place to pick a buy that will push you to the upside. But if the zone did not hold, it should be you should wait for this place to take another buy. But it didn't mean that you should not sell. If you didn't find a sell setup, don't even bother to trade. If you do not find a sell setup, leave it. That trade is not for you. Before you go and blow your account or lose a huge amount of money. So another thing is that you should look for what we call trend line breakout. Trend line breakout is what I mean when market is moving to the upside. We are on a bullish trend. This is how to mark it out. So when this trend line breaks out, you enter immediately after the breakout. Don't wait for a retest. When you enter and the market, this is what gold is doing. Gold, mostly gold do this. I don't know about other pairs, but I trade gold. So when gold breaks out on a trend line, it will keep going up. I just went back to my past results 2024 and 2025, and I thank God I had the screenshots. So I identify all those things because every trade I'm doing, I'm giving a screenshot of it. Even if it is a loose trade, I will screenshot and I know the reason why I lose that trade so that next time I won't make that mistake. Okay. So you can just enter immediately after the break of the trend line, not on every trend line. Understand what I said? Understand what I said? Let me still mark another one here. Basically, when the market is moving up, I not say when you are on a bullish trend and the market is printing something like this for you, just mark it out like this. Immediately after that breakout, you can just enter, put your stop loss, give it like 20 20 pips or 30 pips stop loss. Okay, give it like 20 pips or 30 pips stop loss, then enter the market, leave it. You are going to see when the market is up to 1:2 or 1:3 reward ratio, you can close and just wait for a retracement to enter another one. When you learn all these things, you will know that Forex is not that difficult. Just that they are telling you the best strategy, this and that. They are making videos and they are not telling you the truth. Okay. So for those that want to join my trading channel, my Telegram channel, just comment, drop your comments on this video and let me know if the video is good for you or what you like about the video or you don't like it. Just say something. I promise when I get a system and maybe a computer, you will see a better video. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. You participated in this. I'm just passing these informations and I'm just giving this out for free. I'm not taking any money. For those that want to join my Telegram channel, I got some message on my WhatsApp that they want to join my Telegram channel, but I will drop the link here. Okay, text me Global FS. Okay, you can text me. It's Global FS. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.